Hello friends, welcome to KSK Academy. Myself Praveen Kadapalla. Last classes we already discussed the basic foundation of transmission and distribution systems. In these lectures I have to discuss the area and volume of material is a comparative statement. When you go for single phase 2 wire, when you go for 3 phase 3 wire, 3 phase 4 wire, when you go for DC transmission line, when you transfer a same amount of power, the area comparative statement and the volume of the comparative statement of different kind of transmission systems I should discuss. So concept is very simple. So I should write 3 different concepts I will explain basically. The latter things you can easily understand it is. So this I will explain number 1. Single phase 2 wire system. Single phase 2 wire AC. The first I can write single phase 2 wire AC system. Second thing is 3 phase 3 wire system. 3 phase 3 wire AC system. Now after I should discuss the third thing is DC 2 wire system. Third thing is DC 2 wire system. So if you use a same amount of power, what is the ratio of areas of these two? What is the ratio of these areas? What is the ratio of this volume of conductor material? So how we need to compare it is. In what parameter? What is the ratio you are comparing? That for that reason we need to go for calculation is required. So I will do the calculation areas and volume in each cases I will find out mathematically. Then I will compare the statement of that. So let us take first case. As we know, single phase power is equal to VL IL cos pi. Nothing but we can write clearly VRMS IRMS cos pi. I think we know VM is equal to root 2 into VRMS. From this we can write VRMS is equal to VM by root 2. So this is the case. I can substitute here. I can write P is equal to Vm by root 2 into IRMS into cos pi. From this I can find IRMS is equal to P into root 2 by Vm into cos pi. This is IRMS value. I think we know the losses, the transmission line. A total loss, transmission loss total W2 is equal to 2 times of IRMS square into R. Because why you are writing 2 times means what transmission line is having the 2 conductors, that's why 2 times you can write. So I can write W2 is equal to 2 times of IRMS equal to this you can write. Square means you can write P square, root 2 square something but 2. So Vm square cos square pi. As we know, the smaller is equal to the resistance of any conducting material we can write R is equal to rho L by A I can write and substituting here directly here. So rho L by A. From this I am taking area because I want area. So directly I can write the area of conductor is equal to area I should take this side. So I write 2 into 2 4 P square rho L by Vm square W2 into cos square pi. This is what the area calculation when you go for single phase 2 wire system. If you go for volume concept, the volume of this one area you have to multiply with 2L. Because I think you know the volume is equal to area into length. Because why I am writing is 2L means we are having the length for two wire systems. That's what area also we are belonging to 2 wire. That's what I am writing with 2 multiplication. So we are going to directly here the volume you have multiplied with this. Directly I am writing volume is equal to 2 into 2 8 into the 8 P square rho L square by Vm square W2 into cos square pi. This is what the volume of the material when you use a single phase 2-wire system. I hope very clear it is. So after this, we are switch on to the second category. That is what a 3-phase 3-wire system. I think we know that a 3-phase 3-wire system power is equal to root 3 into VL IL cos phi. We use P RMS value in terms of Vmax, Vm by root 3 into IL cos phi. So write directly IL is equal to what I can write root 2 into P by root 3 into Vm into cos phi. I think we know the losses. Transmission line losses Wt is equal to, this is a 3-phase transmission line, we are writing 3 times IRMS square into R. So Wt is equal to 3 into root 2 square is equal to 2 times. So P square by 3 into Vm square into cos square pi. So 3 is going to cancellation. So next here R value again we can write rho L by A. And substituting here rho L by A. Directly you can write the formula of area. So I am writing the area of conductor clearly. To clear understanding, area you can write set back to here. You can write 2 P square rho L by Pm square W2 into cos square pi. This is the area of conducting material when you use this 3-phase AC system. If you go for volume, the volume is equal to area you are multiplying with 3L because it is 3-phase transmission line. That's what 3 lengths you need to multiply this. You are getting directly volume. So volume you are multiplying with 3. 3 2s are 6. 6P square rho L square by Pm square Wt into cos square pi. This is a volume case calculation 3-phase 3-wire system. I hope you are very clear it is. When you go for a 3-phase DC 2-wire system, DC the power is equal to Vm Im only because there is no RMS value, maximum value RMS, all values should be same. That is equal to maximum value. Because DC case we have only time resistor constant magnitude. The voltage, this is nothing but V maximum. Throughout is constant, there is no RMS value. From this you can write IRMS or Im is equal to P by Vm. This is equal to directly IRMS. So with this you can write directly the total loss. The transmission line losses equal to W2 is equal to 2 times of IRMS square into R because two lines will be there. So W2 is equal to 2 times of P square by Vm square into rho L by A. From this you can write directly area. The area of conducting material, I will go back to that. I am writing 2P square rho L by Vm square into Wt. This is what area calculation covered over. When you go for volume of a material, what you are using, that area multiplied with 2L because we have 2 lines. If you multiply with 2 times, you are getting the volume of conducting material. The volume is equal to, we can write 2 and 2 to the 4 P into rho L into L square by Vm square into Wt. This is what we are going to get back here. So these 3 calculations I did. Single phase 2-wire AC system, area and volume I was calculated. 3-phase 3-wire area and volume I was calculated. DC 2-wire area and volume is calculated. After this calculation over, the examination questions they will ask how they mean their comparative statement of the areas and volume. Let us I should take an example for you. Example is the area of 3-phase 3-wire to the area of 2-phase 2-wire AC system. So what you have to do area comparison? Three phase three wire, you are writing 2 times this so and so by 4 times so and so. In this all will be same. You are getting 4 by 2 darkly. How much you are getting right back here? 2 and you are having a 4. Nothing but you are getting 1 by 2 times. If you wanted to do a reverse case also, this is a question 1. Example number 2. If you want to compare volume, the volume of a 2 phase 2 wire AC, volume of 3 phase 3 wire AC. In the case of volume of here 8p square, same thing you are going to 6p square. This entire portion going to cancellation, you are getting at 8 by 6 only. So 8 by 6 nothing but 3 by 2 will get. So volume of this 2 phase 2 wire is 3 by 2 times of, like 1.5 times of this is going to get back this. So I hope very clear it is. If you wanted to compare any one format, you can make it comparative for DC analysis also. If you want to compare with the DC also, I will compare it is. Third example I am going to read is the volume of DC, unless you compare the area better, the area of DC 2 wire system by area of 3 phase 3 wire. In this area 2p square OL by omega square WT, you are getting area 2p square OL by same thing you are getting. The extra thing, everything is common, only cos square you are going to get back as extra. You are getting 1 by cos square part. This you are going to get back it is. If you want to go extra other thing also, if your same comparison of fourth one, area of DC 2 wire system by area of AC 2 wire system. They are having 2p square royal by here 4 times you are getting. So that is why you can do it. The is 2 times, it's 4 times. So 1 by 2 cos square pi will get. 1 by 2 cos square pi will get. This is a comparative statement of that. So DC that 2, this is what you are going to get back. It is 4 by 2p square, right? It will be going to get back. It is 4 by cos square, right? Cos square by 2 you are getting. Sorry. So simple thing, you are going to get back cos square by 2. Cos square by 2. So 2 and 2 going to cancellation. 2 will come. Cos square go to top. Cos square by 2 you are going to get back. This is the way you are comparing the areas and volumes of different transmission line systems. Other than this will come if it is 3 phase 4 wire and different things will come. Please go process, find out and do it. This question will be very important and GATE and other examinations. PSU's transcription are very famous. I hope if you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. I'll explain in details like this in the coming class also. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing for next class.